If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the apprentices, the trade. And for today's plumbing adventure, I'm trying to put a new ball valve on a water service. And in this particular town, Ventnor, New Jersey, the city's got to come out and deal with this curb cock at the curb that is inaccessible. So he's coming to turn it off now. I'm not sure we're going to throw this in or not, so we're going to find out real quick. So hopefully I'll get this shot, and I have a 1-inch ball valve ready to go. Pro press, baby. You know that only takes a minute, so we'll see you at the job. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. As you see, we got the city of Ventnor here. Going to turn the water off because I'll be honest with you, at Friday at 1 p.m. we don't want to break curb cock because this is before the meter and everything's under the ground. So these guys come out, which is super nice of them, and shut the water down. So I'm going to take you inside and show you the culprit. This is a familiar job to us. We've done a few things here. One of our items we got to address is changing this old stop and waste. Because like I said, if this breaks between here and the curb cock, we're in big trouble. So the city comes out and shuts it down. So we're going to cut it here, ball valve. So we're before the meter. Boys are out here trying to open this up. The curb box is on a bad angle, and now they're going to try and jet it with some water. Maybe we'll get lucky and get on the curb cock. Oh yeah, look at that. Feel it. Alright, they were unsuccessful of getting on the key, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to film it, take it home, and take a look at it up and close. So if not, we got to cut the sidewalk up, change the curb stop. Might be broken. I don't know if you can see that. I can't get my camera down there without possibly dropping it, so I really want to. It looks to me like a new curb stop. And there goes another job for the Baron. I am on my way back to Ventnor to meet George. Look at this water meter, curb cock again. And I got a new toy. I've been wanting to buy it. And this is perfect for this job. The Spector 360. This is a perfect opportunity to see what we got. To see what we got down there. I'm going to film it too, you know that. The M360 camera with the little 4-foot lead and the light bulb on the end. So we're gonna get the shot. I'm actually doing this on a Sunday because, you know, George is a friend of mine, and at least come up with an answer for the owner and say, hey, we have this, we have that. So again, I'm going to be trying my new toy, the Spector 360 by Milwaukee. Here we are back at the scene of the crime. Now, let's see what we can come up with here. I can tell you one thing. I don't see no curb cock whatsoever. I did see a union nut, like a valve end, but now I can't see it. Which makes me think that I am out of firing hole here. Let's see. Let's try this again. Oh, there it is. It looks like there's like cement on top of something, Georgie. Yeah, man. It looks like that's the edge of the valve right there. But like the curve.
Right there.
Yeah.
Well, there it is. You can see the whole thing there. It is. Doesn't look crooked, does it? We're talking right there, correct?
I'm thinking right here, where my thumb is at, right where my thumbnail is at.
Oh, wait.
Like that's the edge of the valve or the curb cock.
Oh, you know something? Look at this.
Oh, there we go, George.
This thing goes on an angle.
Oh, I know.
Ah, so when they put this thing back, they...
Yeah.
Okay, I
See, I'm going straight down now, look. See that right there?
see. Right there, yeah, I see. And there's concrete there.
Yeah. Like, it looks like a rock to me.
Yeah.
Or the edge. Unless the curb cock's going this way.
That's what it has to be.
Because it's got to go around this stairwell, right?
The stairway's right there.
See that patch of concrete going up the side of that hole there? I think the water and sewer go up that way.
Here, here's a drain here.
Under there?
Yeah, because that goes straight out this way. So this water line has to go underneath here.
So this is the curb cock, and you can't even get on it because it's crooked.
Right.
You know what I mean?
That's it. That's what I think. I think this is straight. It should have been straighter or whatever.
Right. Or collapsed or something. But you know what I got today? I got a new toy.
Yeah.
And Spector 360 did confirm trouble in paradise. My question is, you plumbers out there, what do you guys use this for? Because I'm thinking I can use this for if I have a clogged toilet with like and I've had them all, TV remote, toothbrushes, toys, the toilet cleaner stuck up in the bowl, that you could actually, instead of flipping the toilet upside down and see what you might have, can you fit this up the toilet and take a peek at the trap? We're going to test that out too. Anyway, a nice little product. Today was Sunday, spend money day. And you know who this job calls for. Some concrete work, some saw cutting. Wally Nation is going to come in and do the right thing. So we got him on schedule. We'll give you the date. Of course, we're going to get this shot. New curb cock. They really should do a new water main and sewer. I know they're not going to do it, and that's up to them, but we're going to throw it by them on Monday morning. We shall see. I doubt it, but moving forward, we still got to get the curb cock done. All right. We'll see you on Monday.